die Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
General Secretary ke BJP Sengkeme Arun Singh ubalong ru MP hasi ublay walaupun pa ba umpat UI ke jingkran jong menteri ke Seng uba sanbor sulai aga ba walaupun slori ki pat ba ke jela bagi de ban bam khambun ke do masi ban ye giwei ki jaj do kani ke jingkran jong ba sanbor ke lalong haslong ha si tho ding bat wat kilat phatai khobor jong kari gila shim bat pen I kani ke jingkran Henry habakran chiklat pathai khubor ka slam trai kam jo BJP Shalong using ulong ba umpat UEAA halor kata ka jingkran jo ba sanbor bat umpat don ru ki ba pentip chu tang ba ulong pat ba BJP kampen shlori ki breu bagin bambun ka do masi.
Your party does not subscribe to this.
What do you have to say? I have not heard.
Oh, you must have read. Yesterday it has come out. It has become a national.
I don't know. I have not heard because I am here for the last 2 days. I have not heard.
So but we read the newspaper.
This newspaper today it was not there.
Yesterday was there.
Okay. But I don't think it is correct. It should not be.
So you're not in favor. So the party is not in favor.
For what?
To encourage people to eat beef. Do you
No, definitely we are not in favor.
But what makes your BJP minister saying this here, Shillong?
Our president and Haig Saab is there. They will reply. The state, our team will reply. Because I have not seen my dear friend. Once I see, I can't reply on the hypothetical question and the things which I have not seen at all. If I have seen, then I would definitely. Neither nobody came straight from. I am here. Hundreds of people have met me. They have not told me. I participated in many meetings, in mandal meeting, block meeting, district meeting. Nobody told me. This is just new thing that you are telling me. I am not aware of.
Nilai penting nilai yang ni, ketika setiap beberapa minggu masih ni, dulu gue sufu bangkala ba, lesi dia sokar BJP ke batang ban, iungan ni, kumu BJP milian ni, kumi atas isu, ngalah ada penting awak ngan habis coy mentor, bukan masih ni dibentuk caca je ni diben, bam, aja kajung do blang do share bam bahar do masih. Encourage people to eat more beef than chicken and mutton. You see that wrong information in the mind of the people that the BJPs will host this cow slaughter. A democratic country like us, everybody are free to eat. You will see in other Northeast state, snake also they eat. What is it? Tortoise also they eat. Crab also they eat. Scorpion also they eat. There is no restriction that you cannot eat this and that.